So on Wednesday, she gave you the belly. On Thursday, she gave you the feet. And now we get the grand fusion by the divine Anjelica. I love that.
People are leaving again. Okay. This feels like I'm having deja vu. Just by a quick show of hands, who was here for either one or both of my stretch breaks? Very good, excellent. So today we're going to take flamenco and belly dance, and we're going to fuse them together. Now that might sound initially a little bit strange, but it's actually a legitimate ancient dance form called Zambra Mora, which translates to Moorish party. In Sevilla, after the fall of Cordoba, there were these open-air nocturnal revelries with feasting and exchanging of ideas. And the people that would come would be artists and intellects of a very high caliber, and they were all hailing from Moorish, Jewish, and Christian faiths. I'm going to stop talking in a second, so stop leaving. So, and they'd get together and they'd perform for one another, and they would exchange ideas. And so today I thought it would be appropriate for my final stretch break to share some Zambra Mora with you, as it sounds pretty similar to IdeaCity. What do you think? Let's stand up. So Zambra Mora fusion was done in bare feet, very earthy, and they didn't have technique, so it's going to be a little bit wild. Hope you're okay with that. Good. All right, let's start the music. The hands are going to go on the hips, and we're just going to tuck the pelvis under, keeping the chest lifted, and we're going to do half circles around the front. So it's a bit of a sit-up without caving the chest in. So you could technically still stand at a desk and practice this, and nobody would know. I'm all about hiding your practices. Good. And let's pick up the pace. And we can pick up the feet as well. So you want to imagine that you've got dirt under your feet, and you're trying to kick up the dirt and make a mess. Good, and take your arms out. We're just going to take this around. Good. Just half circles around the front. Yes. Good. Excellent. Some of you are like, woo! I'll take it. Good. Let's get the chest involved. So all of these movements are very circular. We're going to slide the rib cage to the side, lift the chest, and drop it. Actually, let's take the hands to the hips. Drop, slide the rib cage, lift the chest, down. You look unimpressed, and now you're getting your phone out. No tweeting. Live in the moment. Good. Let's circle it around. Hey, it worked. I love it when my scolding works. Good. You want to use your breath. Yes, it should feel good. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Good. Use the shoulder blades and the stomach. Let's switch the direction. Slide, lift, slide, down. Slide, lift, slide, down. You can use your elbows as well. Like I said, there's not very much technique involved in this. It's sliding the rib cage and lifting it. Come on. Good. Nice. Good. Now we're going to do the same with our hips. So you're going to bring the feet together. You're going to take the hips to the side, back, side, front. So little circles. Good. Keep it moving, mister. Good, and faster. As fast as you can go. Switch directions. Other side. Arms can come up. And a little faster. Good. So we're going to mix the chest with the hips. I know, I can always kick it up a notch. We're going to use the belly button as the junction, where the chest circle transitions into the hip circle. Yes. So we're going to slide the chest to the left, bring it up, down. Then, from here, your pelvis takes over. Circle clockwise, down. Good, do you feel like a snake? Good. You're getting very sleepy. No, that's actually the opposite of why I'm here right now. Circle up and around. Up, connect, around. Up, around. Yes. Don't use your mandible. It's not a jaw circle. Good, I know. Sometimes the face gets involved in ways you wouldn't expect. Let's switch directions. Counterclockwise with the chest and counterclockwise with the hips. Up, down. I can still spy on you because, oh, now it's switched to me. I spy on you on these other screens. Good. And a little faster. Good. Okay, shake that out. Very nice. All right, the hands. Now, yesterday we did fuera and dentro with the hands, which is the arms, the hands going out, the palmas. You want to do palmas? We did. Good. I don't have a t-shirt for you, if that's what you're after. You can have the gratification of knowing you were right. Very good. Okay, so pushing out, middle finger to thumb, around, it's all in the wrists. So you want to feel maximum rotation in the wrists. And the fingers are soft, yet they're resisting through tension. Good. So we're going to do dentros, which means to go inside. We're going to repeat that. So take your right hand, pull in and around, pull in and around. So you keep flipping the hand. Good, now we're going to get the hips involved. So it's like your hand, I told you I can always kick it up a notch. The hand is dictating what the hips are doing. So it's like you're stirring a big pot. Because this is how everybody stirs a pot. Good. And circle, circle, circle. If you have room, you can turn. Otherwise, you can just stay on the spot. I'm just giving you 360-degree angle. Good. Good. Arms are going to come up now. We're going to snap, 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 and shoot your fingers out straight every time you snap. These are called pitos, and they're another way of expressing yourself in flamenco. Good. Now we're going to take the left foot front and back, front, back, front, and these are just little baby steps. Good. Good, and really push into the hips. At least put your arms up. You'll get some armpit ventilation. Good. Good. And let's make that a circle. Circle. Again, stirring the pot. All right, shake out the arms. Back two. Half circles around the front. Good. Can I get the music to go a little bit louder? Because this is a wild party, right? Good. And stir the pot. Dentro, dentro, dentro. Good. All right. Chest circles. Chest circle. Hip circle. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, very good. Exhale, and 1, and 2. Good, even if you're just working the hips, I don't mind. Good. One more time, arms up in the air. Snap, 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 snap. Good, right foot, front, back, front, back. Let's round it out. And let's add a shimmy. I thought I'd just throw that in there. Yeah. Good, and one more shimmy just for old time's sake. And you're all done. Good work. Thank you, Moses, for bringing me for all 3 days of stretch breaks.
Thank you, Angelica. You're all implicated because I'm not sure this was entirely legal. So.